What's up my fellow gig workers? Welcome to the channel. Today's video is an update about my deactivation. A few weeks ago I posted a video that when I tried to log in to skip the dishes, I got this message. Your Korea account is not currently active. The features on your Korea app are not available until your account is active. If you are returning Korea, please contact Korea Success for information on how to return to the network. That's the last message you want to receive when you try to log into this gig app, that your account is not active. And first thing you're going to think, oh, did I get deactivated? Right? So guys, I want to say don't depend on one app. Have multiple apps on your phone, because if you get deactivated on one, you get to choose from the others. Could be Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, Top Car, right? So don't depend on one. When I received that message, I'm thinking like, what really happened? Maybe a customer complained that they didn't receive their food. Maybe I was pausing too many times. I don't know. My acceptance rate, maybe that was too low. Why was my account not active? So then I phoned Skip the Dishes customer service. I was on the phone for half an hour. No answer. I don't know if because my account is not active, nobody's answering the phone. They probably could see from their end that your account is not active. You're not on delivering right now, so maybe you're the last person they want to deal with. So I keep phoning multiple times. Finally, someone answered. I told the guy, said, I'm trying to log into Skip the Dishes app and I'm getting this message. He said, okay, I'm gonna pull up your account and see what's happening. Waiting. He's looking. He said, okay, what really happened here? Your insurance expire, your registration expire, your driver's license expire. You need to update those and upload new documents, and your account will be active back again. I don't know if I missed the email from Skip the Dishes that my account need to be updated because of my insurance, registration, and driver's license. So guys, always check your email, because if you're dependent on Skip the Dishes and you didn't update it before the expiry date, then you're going to be out of work for a few days, because it takes a while for them to review the documents. This happened to me on a Thursday morning, and then I update the documents Friday until Saturday evening. Then my account was active again to work and Skip the Dishes. So if your sole income is from Skip the Dishes only, you're gonna be missing out on a few days. Thursday, Friday until Saturday evening, 3 days of not working if you depend on Skip the Dishes only for your income. As for myself, I have DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. I was okay for those 3 days. So after I spoke to the Skip the Dishes rep, he sent an email to me. I'm just going to read it for you guys. Thank you for contacting Skip the Dishes Korea operation. As per our record, your vehicle insurance, registration, driver's license have expired. We have temporarily removed your access to the Skip network, and you will not be able to continue to deliver orders until this has been updated. Please be informed that we no longer accept SIN as a proof of work eligibility. Please provide us with any of these documents, including Canadian passport, permanent residency card, work or study permit, or Canadian birth certificate as proof of work eligibility, along with the update vehicle insurance, registration, and driver's license, so you can continue making deliveries to the Skip network. Let us know if you have any additional question. When I signed up in 2018, social insurance card was a proof of that you're eligible to work in Canada, but now they're saying no social card. You need birth certificate, passport, if you're study or work permit, those documents you need. No more social card. Here in Canada, every 5 years those documents expire and you have to renew them. I want to thank all you guys for the comments when I posted that short video a month ago about that message that I was not active on Skip the Dishes app. Lots of you guys said it's probably the documents need to update. Thank you very much. That was the problem I need to solve. And now I'm back on Skip the Dishes platform. So best of luck to everyone. Don't get deactivated. Make lots of money. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Support the channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.